I'm going to show you how to connect a coax cable to the coax plug of an aerial. Now, the important part here, as this is an emergency repair, so you need to cut off, in this respect, about 10 centimetres of the outside of the insulation. So I'm just going to cut it off using a scalpel. I'm just going to peel that off, and then that will expose the braid, and then just simply bend the wire and the insulation, and I can then pull the braid out. This part is going to be used for the earthing. So after you've done that, you then need to just trim up how much of the copper core you require. I'm just going to bend the end over, and that particular part will go in to the pin of the aerial socket. So first I'm just making up the earth section, making it up, and I'll be able then to feed that over the earth of the top one. Doesn't matter if it's a satellite one. All the outside, they're all connected together as one earth. So that is why you can get away with this particular arrangement. Now what it is that I'm using the earth of the satellite one and using the input of the aerial side. In this case it says FM DAB, which in this case it doesn't matter. This just shows how it works. This of course is an emergency repair, and it would be best to put it back to how it should be when you can. If you can tape that down as well, that will then stop it from coming out. So, thank you for watching, and if it has been a bit of help, please share, like and subscribe.